Hello little kids, how are you? Let's learn some colors names in English. Pink color, black color, gray color, dark green color, light green color, red color, blue color, yellow color, orange color, violet color, sky blue color. This is orange color. Now we will learn alphabets A, B, C, D. Let's start. Red color A. A for astronaut. B. B for basket. C. C for chocolate. D. D for door. E. E for egg. F. F for fairy. G. G for grandma. G. Which color is this, kids? Red color. H. H for hospital. I. I for injection. J. J for joker. K. K for king. L. L for lobster. M. M for milk. N. N for Neptune. Which color is this, kids? Yellow color. O. O for octagon. P. P for pentagon. Q. Q for quarter. R. R for raspberry. S. S for squirrel. T. T for tissue. U. U for uniform. Which color is this, kids? Green color. V. V for violin. W. W for widow. X. X for x-ray. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Z for zebra. Which color is this, kids? Blue color. Now we are going to revise them once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye-bye.